Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. Today we are continuing the carbon fiber build series on my C8 Corvette Stingray. And we've been working on the interior, we've moved to the exterior, and today we are going to be unboxing a brand new front splitter from EOS, Extreme Online Store, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Let's check out the quality, and then we'll go get this installed. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this unboxed. We're gonna take a look at it, and I finally brought a trusty knife. Something I oftentimes forget, but we're going to get this open right now. Okay, so we got it open. Here is the hardware for the install. Now let's take a look at the actual product here. Come on. All right, so this is actual carbon fiber through and through, which we're going to take a look at, but I'm going to clean up this mess first. All right, so we're going to take a quick look at the quality, just because everybody has asked. And honestly, I'm going to try to give you good close-ups because it looks really good, in my opinion. But here you go. There was a couple spots that I thought had a mark on it. Turned out it was just dust. So I wiped it off. But anyway, here's a very good close-up for you guys. All right. And just so you know, it is carbon fiber through and through. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick look at it. All right, so we're gonna go get this installed. Hey guys, I have a quick favor to ask of you. If you enjoy this video, would you please hit that like button? And if you're not a subscriber, and again, you enjoy this video, would you please go ahead and consider subscribing? Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content I have coming up in the future. It really means a lot to the channel if you would do both those things. Anyway, thanks again. All right, guys, we are back here at Corvette World. Thanks to Chance, we are here, and we are gonna get the new front splitter installed. So this is the Carbon Flash 5VM front splitter, and we are getting ready to swap it out to carbon fiber. So I'm excited. I'm gonna do this one most likely because it's really quick. So anyway, I thought it'd be a lot better to do it here, because here I can actually get it lifted up. I could do this at my house, you know, and just kind of pull it into the garage and do it underneath, but I'd rather film it. So we're gonna get ready to get started, but once again, we're here at Corvette World. So we're here, of course, as always, with Keith, the infamous Keith. So we're getting ready to replace the Carbon Flash front splitter to put on the carbon fiber. There are 21 T15 screws, and I was gonna do this at my house, but I thought, man, I'm already gonna have it up on the lift. Let's just go ahead and show you here. We're gonna pull out all 21 of these screws, and then we're gonna pull this off, install the new one, and reinstall the 21 screws. right, so that's going to do it. This is the exposed carbon fiber 5VM front splitter from EOS Extreme Online Store. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. But I think it turned out absolutely fantastic. That is going to do it. We are here at Corvette World in Dallas. Keith, who's in there eating lunch, so we're not going to bother him, but he is the one that did the install for me. And well, I did a lot of it, but he's always the guy that is my go-to here at Corvette World for installs. But that's going to do it. Hope everybody has a great week. Thank you for watching.